Of course, there's a new self-driving feature for the Tesla, and it's going to take off like a rocket in the parking garage. I didn't film it. It's begging to drive itself. Doesn't even know where you're going. That's too funny. Yeah, that's alright. Figured it out. Can't do anything that bad, right? We're only going a mile. Okay, just trying to obey the speed limit. Keep a safe distance. Online routing disabled. Oh, that's so scary. I mean, you could set the route from somewhere else. Yeah, changes lane on its own. Okay. That's a pretty aggressive lane change too. I was impressed. Drives with like authority. Even though the speed limit sign says 45, 37 is going to speed up. I don't know. No, it's going to resist. Hands and feet ready. Ah, it wasn't that good.
Mom's spaghetti.
And I like the fact that it's not twitchy with the wheel like it was before.
Because it's gave me self-free driving. I don't know how long.
They must know that we get scared. Please demo our new free self-driving feature in your Tesla. We just downloaded it today. Now I'll be impressed if it knows to pull into the driveway or park or whatever it's going to do when it gets there.
I don't know. Does it have self-parking?
I don't know. I doubt it. That's a different programming feature for it to understand driveways.
I know the Odyssey has one. Remember? Parallel parking.
Oh, no, this car has the parallel parking. Yeah. You just have to tell it. Maybe you didn't pay for that. I don't know.
I did not.
But we know it can.
Didn't ask me to put my hands on. You know how it
Not
is.
yet. Yeah, not yet.
Certain distance.
Well, it's full self-driving now.
I'm tense.
Not quite sure why it's hugging the middle of the road, but okay.
It drives like me.
relatively safe.
Mm-hmm. Like it has highs or something.
I don't know why I feel blessed that we made it without incident. Oh God, is it gonna try and park? Oh my God, it's gonna park. No! No way! Okay, I officially approve. Wow. Oh my God, that was awesome.
What? Good job, Tesla.